Hi, preschoolers. It's Mrs. Decker. Welcome back from spring break. I hope you had a nice, relaxing time. There were lots of pretty days, so I hope you got outside. But we're back to school, back to work. So I wanted you to get a chance to see what happened to our plants in the 1 week you were gone. You are not going to believe it. It is amazing. Are you ready? What? Look at that. So these, I'm trying to make sure you can see them here. These are our peas. And if you remember, that first day they were these tiny little sprouts and now they're great big. These, I believe, are going to be spinach. And these, I'm pretty sure, are our carrots. One thing we learned is we should have marked them. We learned a lesson. We forgot to mark which was which. But as they get bigger, we'll be able to tell. Can you believe how big they are? I am so amazed. So in a couple days, I'm probably going to go ahead and try to get my garden ready so we can plant these outside, and then we'll watch them grow in my garden. I'll still take videos of them because I'm super impressed. Now, I want us to take a look at the flowers that we planted. If you remember, we have these here. So let's take a look. What do you see? Can you see it? Hold on. There we go. Look at them. It is amazing. Look at all, and we remember there's all kinds of different flowers in here. And we'll be able to tell more about which was which when they get a little bigger, but they are huge. And I wanted you to take a look at something else I want to show you. Do you see those little white, maybe they look a little bit like a hair, or maybe kind of too like arms or legs? So I wanted to have you take a look at those because we're going to do some lessons on the parts of a flower. And as we look at these flowers while they're growing, we can see those little white things that I was showing you. Those are roots. In a plant, a flower uses its roots to do what? I want you to think. Why would a plant have something that goes down into the soil? What would it do with that? What would be the purpose of that? It's almost like a little tongue or little mouths going down into the soil so that it can get its water and nutrients out of the soil. That's right. It uses those roots to eat and drink like people do, or to get their nutrients. So if we look some more at our flowers, we can notice that there is a part that is above the soil. Doesn't have leaves on it, and on these flowers it's kind of a little bit pink and then white, and then it turns kind of green. We call that the stem. That's the stem, and then the big green leafy parts are the leaves. So we're going to talk about the parts of a flower and what job they all have, but I wanted you to get a first-hand look at the roots and how big they've gotten. They are so big. So I'm very proud of our plants. It's been a fantastic job. And I wanted to tell you I missed you, and I'm glad that we're back. And I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.